So now we are going to do a small exercise based on nouns, and as I've told you, the types of nouns, that is your common noun, your proper noun, your countable and uncountable nouns, your collective nouns and your abstract nouns. So we are going to do a small exercise based on collective nouns. So we have collective nouns. So the term collective means a word that is given for a group, that is many elephants together or many sheep together or many wolves together. So in that case we call them collective nouns, and today we will be seeing a lot of examples of collective nouns. What are the common collective nouns that we use? But before we go on to those examples, let us see what are the collective nouns that can be filled in the following blanks. So we have the following collective nouns and we need to match it with the correct blank. So we have pack, flock, warren, pride, colony, herd, barrel, school, swarm, cackle. So these are the collective nouns that are available and we need to match it with its correct animal. So the first sentence we have a dash of sheep. So when it comes to sheep, we always say a flock of sheep. So we use the collective noun flock, a flock of sheep. The next sentence we have a dash of bees. So we use the collective noun swarm. We say a swarm of bees. So we use the word swarm, a swarm of bees. The next sentence we have a dash of fish. So the collective noun for fish is school, a school of fish. So we use the collective noun school. In the next sentence we have a dash of wolves. So when it comes to a group of wolves, we call them as a pack. We say a pack of wolves. A pack of wolves. The next sentence we have a dash of elephants. So for a group of elephants, we say a herd of elephants. That is, many elephants together is known as a herd of elephants. Our next sentence is a dash of rabbits. For a group of rabbits, we say a colony of rabbits. So we use the collective noun colony, a colony of rabbits. The next sentence we have a dash of lions. So for a group of lions together, we say it is a pride of lions. So we use the collective noun pride, a pride of lions. In the next sentence we have a dash of monkeys. So for a group of monkeys together, we say a barrel of monkeys. So we use the collective noun barrel. They are called as a barrel of monkeys. In the next sentence we have a dash of ants. So we say a colony of ants. So we say a colony of ants. And the last sentence we have a dash of hyenas. So we say a cackle of hyenas. A cackle of hyenas. So I use the collective noun cackle. So these are all the collective nouns that we have made use of. So a flock of sheep, a swarm of bees, a school of fish, a pack of wolves, a herd of elephants, a colony of rabbits, a pride of lions, a barrel of monkeys, a colony of ants, a cackle of hyenas. So these are the collective nouns that we use for animals, and we will see for other products as well what are the collective nouns that we use.